Hi everyone, welcome to CCV Knowledge Hub. So here in this session I will explain what is solutions and what are the different types of solutions available, and also what are the components in present in the solution. So here if you see what is a solution. So solution, if you see, it's a homogeneous mixture of two components. So if if it is present only two components, that is called binary solutions. So I can say here exactly what are the two components present. So I'm taking one container here. So in this container I'm adding salt and water. So here if you see, salt, generally if you want to prepare any salt solution, what we will do, so salt we will add very less quantities and water we will add more quantities, right? So here, so salt we can say it is one component and water is another component. There are two components. So once if you add these two components, so we will get homogeneous mixture, right? Homogeneous, as I told, homogeneous mixture. But in this case only salt and water are present in this solution. What else if more number of components are present, and also I added sugar, and also I added some other compound, so that case we can call it as, so if it is only having the two components, we can call it as binary solutions. So here friends, what are two components, mainly two components present in this solution, right? What are they? So first component is solvent and solute. So first component is solvent and solute. So in this example if you see, what is solvent and what is solute here. So I can say, what is solvent? Solvent is a which is having larger quantities in a solution, which is having a larger quantities. Now tell me what exactly we will do here. If we want to prepare any salt water, we will take more water and very less quantity of salt we will take, right? So if you see, solvent is water, solvent is water, and solute is salt. So which is having a lesser quantity, which is having a lesser quantity. So solvent is having more quantity, you can say more quantity, and solute is having less quantity. So this is called solvent and solute. So after knowing what is solvent and what is solute in a solution, so let's see what are the different types of solutions available, right? So first type of solutions are solid solutions. So that means here I am taking solid is a solvent which is having more quantity. Solid is a solvent, solid acting as a solvent, and solute is present very less quantities. Let's see first type of solid solutions, gas present in solid. Gas present in solid, example hydrogen in palladium, right? Second type, liquid present in solid. That means liquid you are taking very less quantities and solid is taking a high quantities. So for that example, mercury with the metal combination, generally what we will call amalgams, right? Mercury with the metals combination we can call it as amalgams. And third one is solid in solid, generally copper is present, copper will add in the gold. So these three, we can say these are the solid solutions. Friends, my next type of solutions is liquid solutions. So here also three types are present. Here if you see, always in this liquid solutions, liquid is the solvent and other substances are the will act as a solute. So what is solute here? Gas. First one is gas present in liquid, example oxygen in water, and liquid in liquid, alcohol in water or water in alcohol, anything. So which is having a more quantity, based on that we can say the what kind of solution it is. And solid in liquid, salt in water, example salt in water. And let's see third type of solutions. So third type of solutions, gaseous solutions. So here gas will act as a solvent, that means which is having a more quantity, gas is having a more quantity. So that's why I'm calling as solvent. And first one, gas in gas, example mixture of gases, I can say mixture of gases. And liquid in gas, so liquid quantity is less and gas quantity is more, so chloroform in nitrogen. And next one is solid in gas, so camphor in nitrogen. Friends, these are the three different types of solutions available. And also we saw what is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two components. So what is solvent here? Which is having more quantities in a solution is called solvent, and which is having a less quantity is called a solute. So in my next video I will explain what are the different concentration terms available to find out the solute weight or solvent weight. So what are the and also we can find out the concentrations of the solute and solvent present in the solution. So this information we are going to learn. Thank you friends. If you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub YouTube channel.